Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ocube. So this tutorial is going to be a very simple attire. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. So I'm just going to tie the attire. I've placed it on my forehead already and I've pleated my pleats. So now I'll cross over the attire to the two sides. Now take one aspect of it and twist it until it gets to the end. Then I carry and place on top of where my last piece stopped and place it directly where my last piece stopped. And I use a pin to secure it down so that it can be very firm. Then after securing it, I will take the other part and twist it to the end, then put it on top of this other twisted one. So now I'll twist the other one and I'll place it directly on where the last one stopped. So after placing it there, then I'll take it to the end. Then the edge of that one, I'll open it out and try to form like a bow at the edge. So this is kind of pretty easy. This is just a very simple attire tutorial. Please subscribe if you're new here, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all so much. See you all in my next one. Bye loves.